I'll see you, girl. Seagull, I'll see you, girl. Seagull, I'll see you, girl. Seagull, I'll see you, girl. I wish I had wings so I can get to you, girl. I crossed 1,000 seas and handful of apologies. I always wonder when the sky is clear, will the wings be spread when it's full of fear? I see that you see that I'll see you, girl. If God to you, then I'll change you with the fucking world. From the girls I go, the baby girl, you're a pearl. On your neck you got your pearls, I'll change it to my hand. Girl, I hope you understand that my love worth more than any motherfucking thing. But I cancel my love, so you know I'm kinda broke. But damn, I wanna see you smile. Baby, I'll turn into a seagull. I'll see you, girl. Seagull, 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 I'll see you, girl.
Welcome on board to Premchai's Ultimate Romantic Affection Airline, where only sad boy can enter. This is your Captain Premchai reporting. Pass down to cabin crew. Premchai sanay pa!
I really wanna know where you go, 'cause you know I'll follow. No, oh, oh, no sea can stop me, no matter how far. Pattaya to Hawaii. Yeah, my island 40 degrees, drink pineapple iced tea, and my boat sail with bloody. I'll find a way to go to you, no matter how far, my baby girl.
We're currently on a break. We'll be back soon. Stay tuned to Premchai's Ultimate Romantic Affection.
Can I be your seagull? I'll see you, girl. Seagull, I'll see you, girl. Seagull,